You won't believe how much protein are in these chicken tikka rolls. There is over 80 grams of protein each and the macros are crazy. Start by grabbing your diced chicken breast, add some low-fat Greek yogurt, followed by the seasonings listed on the screen, then some lemon juice, tomato paste, a drop of food coloring, mix it and set it to the side. Then to make the yogurt mint sauce in a blender cup, add yogurt, mint, garlic, cumin, green chili, salt and blend it together. Now cook your chicken on medium to high heat for 10 to 15 minutes, and you can use a store-bought bread or make your own by mixing together flour, yogurt and garlic powder, kneading it for about 5 minutes, then making 3 equal balls, roll it out with a rolling pin, then cook each one on a pan on high heat for 2 minutes on each side and assemble it by dividing the sauce, chicken, and fresh coriander across all 3 rolls, roll them up, and that's it. Enjoy. Apparently McDonald's in America don't have wraps on their menu anymore, but here's how you can make a crispy chicken Caesar McWrap with 60 grams of protein. Start by grabbing your chicken, then beat your meat to slightly flatten it, cut it into 2 equal pieces, add all of the seasonings listed on screen, then grab some breadcrumbs, add the same seasonings as before, mix it together, dip each piece of chicken in egg whites and coat it evenly in the breadcrumb mixture, add some light cooking oil spray, then bake it in the oven or air fryer with the settings on screen. And to make a low calorie and high protein Caesar dressing, you're going to blend together all of the ingredients listed on screen, and this stuff tastes amazing on everything. Now grab a low calorie tortilla, add some Caesar dressing, lettuce, the crispy chicken, parmesan cheese, cooked shortcut bacon, wrap it up, and that's it. Enjoy.